For individuals over the age of 60, making informed dietary choices is not only beneficial, it's essential. As we age, our metabolism slows, nutrient absorption changes, and the body's ability to detoxify or recover from imbalances weakens. One key area of concern is seafood consumption. While seafood is often considered a healthy option, certain varieties can pose health risks to older adults, while others offer remarkable benefits. This comprehensive guide explores for seafoods that seniors should limit or avoid, and for that should be embraced for their significant nutritional value. Each recommendation is grounded in current scientific research and tailored to meet the unique health needs of adults over 60. Seafood to limit or avoid after age 601. Squid high cholesterol content. A 3-ounce portion of cooked squid contains roughly 198 milligrams of cholesterol, which is more than 65% of the daily recommended intake. In older adults, the liver may not regulate cholesterol as efficiently, leading to higher blood cholesterol levels. A 2021 study revealed that seniors with a high dietary cholesterol intake had a 43% increased likelihood of arterial stiffness and a 31% higher risk of cardiac events. Elevated purine levels. Squid is also loaded with purines, compounds that the body converts into uric acid. For many seniors, diminished kidney efficiency can prevent adequate uric acid excretion, causing it to accumulate and crystallize in the joints, a painful condition known as gout. A comprehensive dietary review indicated that seniors who consumed high purine seafood more than twice a week faced a 54% higher risk of developing chronic joint inflammation within 2 years. 2. Imitation crab surimi. Highly processed ingredients. Imitation crab is made from minced fish, usually pollock, starches, sugars, salt, and artificial flavorings. It's a heavily processed food that lacks the nutritional integrity of fresh seafood. Blood sugar spikes. The glycemic response of imitation crab is comparable to that of white bread, rapidly converting into glucose. This causes sudden spikes in blood sugar followed by energy crashes, an especially risky scenario for seniors with prediabetes. Insulin resistance, or type 2 diabetes. A controlled study found that older adults who consumed imitation crab 3 times weekly had insulin levels that were 2.6 times higher than those who did not. Excessive sodium. A single serving of imitation crab can contain more than 700 milligrams of sodium. Elevated sodium levels contribute to high blood pressure, a concern that becomes more serious with age due to arterial hardening and reduced kidney function. Furthermore, additives like monosodium glutamate (MSG) may cause headaches, fluid retention, and dizziness in sensitive individuals. 3. Scallops cadmium accumulation. Scallops are filter feeders, which makes them more susceptible to accumulating environmental toxins such as cadmium. Even modest servings can contain up to 1.8 micrograms of cadmium per gram of tissue. According to the World Health Organization, the safe weekly limit for cadmium is 7 micrograms per kilogram of body weight. Cadmium primarily builds up in the kidneys and may impair renal function, elevate blood pressure, and reduce energy levels. Low in omega-3 south. While they may seem like a healthy option, scallops are relatively low in omega-3 fatty acids. A 100-gram serving contains less than 30 milligrams of EPA and DHA, combined considerably less than oysters or sardines. These essential fatty acids play a vital role in reducing inflammation, maintaining joint flexibility, and supporting cognitive health. 4. Shrimp high cholesterol. Shrimp are another seafood high in cholesterol. A 3-ounce portion contains about 180 milligrams. A 2021 research study found that seniors consuming over 300 milligrams of dietary cholesterol daily had a 35% higher risk of stroke and a 24% higher risk of coronary heart disease. Difficult to digest protein. Shrimp contains tropomyosin, a muscle protein that can be difficult for older digestive systems to break down. New allergies to shellfish can develop even after age 65, with symptoms ranging from rashes to severe anaphylactic reactions. Residual chitin, traces of chitin left over from the outer shell, can remain in shrimp meat. While harmless and small, Quantities for most people, these fragments may cause bloating, gas, and intestinal irritation in seniors with sensitive digestive systems. Antibiotic residues. Many farm-raised shrimp are treated with antibiotics like oxytetracycline and enrofloxacin, substances banned in several countries but still found in imported shrimp. Prolonged consumption can lead to antibiotic resistance, gut microbiome imbalances, and metabolic disruptions, all of which are particularly concerning for older adults. Optimal seafood choices for individuals over 601. Sea cucumber joint and skin. Support. Sea cucumber is rich in collagen-like substances and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Daily supplementation has been linked to a 35% reduction in joint pain and noticeable improvements in flexibility over 12 weeks. Anti-inflammatory triterpenes. These compounds help combat chronic inflammation and protect cartilage, supporting joint health and mobility. Natural chondroitin sulfate. Sea cucumber provides chondroitin sulfate in a naturally absorbable form. This compound plays a critical role in maintaining joint structure and function. 2. Green-lipped mussel Sunico omega-3 profile. These mussels contain icosahexaenoic acid ETA, a rare omega-3 fatty acid that is even more effective than EPA or DHA at reducing inflammation. ETA inhibits the enzyme 5-lipoxygenase, which triggers joint inflammation. Essential micronutrients. Green-lipped mussels are loaded with zinc, selenium, iodine, and iron nutrients that become more challenging to absorb with age. These minerals support immune function, thyroid health, and oxygen transport. Best preparation method. Steaming the mussels gently helps preserve their valuable anti-inflammatory compounds. 3. Oyster shin bioavailable zinc to medium-sized. Oysters provide over 100% of the daily zinc requirement. Zinc supports immune function, wound healing, testosterone levels, and cognitive performance. Deficiency in this mineral is common among seniors and often manifests as increased susceptibility to infections, impaired taste and smell, and delayed skin healing. Rich in vitamin B12, oysters are a powerful source of vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health and energy metabolism. 3 ounces of oysters deliver more B12 than a full-sized steak. Selenium and copper content. Oysters are also rich in selenium and copper. Selenium aids thyroid and immune system function, while copper supports bone strength, collagen formation, and red blood cell production. Studies have shown that higher copper intake in older adults can lead to an 18% reduction in fracture risk over 5 years. For sea moss, Irish moss trace mineral density. Sea moss provides over 90 trace minerals, including iron, sulfur, selenium, magnesium, and potassium, all in highly absorbable forms. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining various bodily functions. Collagen building blocks, rich in vitamin C, sulfur, and proline, key components in the body's natural collagen production. After the age of 60, collagen production declines, affecting skin elasticity, joint integrity, and digestive health. A 2022 study showed a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 29% decrease in skin dryness after 8 weeks of daily sea moss consumption. Gut health enhancement. Sea moss contains mucilage, a type of soluble fiber that creates a soothing, gel-like coating in the intestines. It reduces inflammation, fortifies the gut lining, and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. In clinical trials, seniors consuming sea moss reported a 50% reduction in bloating, constipation, and irregular appetite. Comprehensive support. Sea moss also supports thyroid function due to iodine, cardiovascular health through sodium-potassium balance, skin and joints via collagen precursors, and respiratory wellness thanks to antiviral and anti-inflammatory compounds. Preparation advice. To use sea moss effectively, rinse it thoroughly, soak it in clean water for 12 to 24 hours, and then blend it into a gel. This gel can be easily incorporated into smoothies, teas, or soups. Final thoughts for seniors. Not all seafood is created equal. While some varieties such as squid, imitation crab, scallops, and shrimp pose risks related to cholesterol, inflammation, heavy metal accumulation, or digestive distress. Others like sea cucumber, green-lipped mussels, oysters, and sea moss provide targeted benefits that promote longevity, mobility, and vitality. By making well-informed choices, older adults can protect their health and enhance their quality of life through thoughtful, nutrient-rich seafood consumption.